Well, hello there, fellow traders. So let's get to the markets. This Apple, I just think it's really extended right now. I'm not paying attention, but paying attention to this right here, the end of this little rising wedge. I don't know. I was just looking at it because somebody else pointed that out for me. Not pointed it out for me, but was interested in Apple. So let's go to the markets. All right. So as of now, what I'm seeing for the S&P 500 is I'm interested to see if we get to hit. I'm just looking for a hit down in the orange area, you know. So on Friday morning, I believe we were like up here somewhere, and I was like, oof, perfect. Looks like we could reject somewhere. Didn't know where exactly because you can move the trend line a little and look at that. You see? But if you move it up to these two, it gets a little better. You see, if you get a little bit of everything here, you can even move it back just a tad bit, and you can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 7 hits of a trend line. It was pretty obvious. Like I was just the whole time thinking um, back test, and I was looking at this little area. This goes way back, guys. You know, not way back, but it goes back for quite a while. So let me see from where. Right, so let's try this thing. This raising what you can grab from here or here, but that was in March. Now we in almost May, and it's just been wedging up, you know. So in my opinion, we might get one more hit up, but we don't know if we're gonna hit resistance on that one. It could be a truncated fifth, or I don't know, can have a failure and just crack right through. Most likely it's gonna be a little bit up, at least halfway or something, or something. I don't know if it's gonna be too big because you know we reached the target for 3 right here. Let me just show you guys real quick. Oh, and I have a lot of lines here, like those little light gray ones. I'll tell you guys right now. So basically, those little gray lines are Gann angles. I can go through that and make a video one day, but right now I'm just trying to make better videos. You get me? So I'll one day put it in. Not all my charts have them. So you know, qualified for the third here or here. So you know, I'm just counting as a third right now. So I want to see what happens if this holds right here. This 2878.6. So lately, this thing has we've been looking for it to hit down here for a long time. Finally, it seems to be broken the little angle. I mean the little pattern right here, the little like rising wedge kind of here too, a little one. So we're looking for it to hit and then bounce maybe. So we're looking for that right now. So hopefully we get that. You know, we can just play the odds. I just get every time it hits the top trend line, or you can even put these down a little and hit these. I would just play them like if we open here basically, or here, just keep it going down. Like just make. Sometimes I would hold 1 or 2 positions. Uh, be like, okay, pretty good profit. This market is pretty strong, and just cut and just get rid of most of it or everything, and just wait for another entry, because just day trading, because the swings haven't been going to the downside. I'm just really bearish lately, so I just buy at high, sell low, and because the move was pretty hard past 4 months, 4 5, yeah, 4 almost 5 months. So I'm just showing you what we see, what I'm seeing, what I believe the market's gonna do. So let's go to Nasdaq. Nasdaq right here, looking good too. So what are we seeing? Let me just get rid of this right now, real quick. All right, guys, let's zoom out. All right, the Nasdaq looking good, in my opinion. Um, we could probably break down here a little rising wedge again, the throwovers, and let's see what happens. It looks like it might hold here and push up again. I don't know. Nasdaq has been really weird, like just really, really, just weird action in my opinion. But look at this, guys. I don't know if you guys noticed, but this is really big time levels for the market, in my opinion. And to tell you the truth, we might push up a little higher. But first, we should come down a little bit. And we did come down quite a bit, but not too much. Alright, look. See? It's like a triple top. Four top, maybe. No, triple top. So, let's see what happens, guys. It's really, really, really interesting in the market right now. In my opinion, this was an entire A wave down almost through 2019, and now 2019 we have the B wave. So we can go like this: A, B, and C. This is if it's a flat. But a lot of people. Oh, wait up! Hit the wrong one. So let me just zoom out a little higher, a little further. A lot of people are believing that I don't even know where I was gonna go through to that. Okay, let's just go A, B, and C if it's a flat correction. Most of the time C, C is the same size as A, about the same size or further. It can go further. Nothing says it can't. So most of the time they equal each other. So if that's a A and that's a B, C should come over here at least. It could come lower though. And to be honest with you guys, it should come lower. Alright, so let's look at the Dow real quick because it's getting close to open. Okay, this one's even more interesting for me. So, in my opinion, this was a fifth wave, double top. Alright, so then it broke bearish. So we can go A, B, C, A, B, I don't know where it's going to end. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the third wave. 4, 5, maybe we could do something like that. Who knows? And then again, guys, same thing. C should equal A. Or if impulsive, if it's more of a, what's it called? Man, I can't forget. But if it's not a flat, it's gonna go further. So just this is just me looking a little further out, bigger picture. All right, but this is looking interesting to me. You know, it held, it was like a triangle. It held a back test, and now we're going up. Boom! It broke kinda like a little tiny bit, throw over, and it hit this. Um, you know, look, you see, 1, 2, 3, and all this, 4, 5, 6. So it's been respecting that, in my opinion. So, guys, I'm looking for a hit down here. It could it could keep grinding up, but I think it's done really. It's going down here, right? So let's see if I can go one more. No, let's go for two more. Let's see if we could get it. All right. XLF financials. Another one that's looking interesting. Look at this, guys. Everything's looking real interesting right here for the Bears, you know? Yeah, I think. So, boom, big level. Big level right there. And we're having more big levels too. Look at this one. Boom. Alright, guys. So we have big levels, and that level can even come from here, here, here. To, you know, just been really interesting here, guys. So XLF, real interesting. All-time highs. B wave, because A, B, and C down, and you know where C, where A went down to? 2008 lows, 2007, 8. I don't know when it was when XLF came down, but 2008 was when they came to the lows, and they saved it with QEs, you know, quantitative easing on the markets. So guys, this is really critical levels for the market. You know, I still see it's not done yet, but you know. So then let's go to gold real quick. All right, gold's looking a little, I don't know really. It's looking interesting, but man, so another one that's critical levels. Like, does it hold here? But you know, even if it comes lower, still good. It just can't go too much lower. Then maybe here. Then 246 goes lower than that. I'll be a little scared. But I told her from my trade ideas was to hold this. I don't know if I put it in the video because I've been really rushing it, but hold this level right here. These two levels I was looking at. I was like, okay, this one right here, it would be nice, but I think this one nicer. So I was like, oh, maybe get like more position here and then see if it comes here and it holds. If that one holds, just keep holding until it breaks. So if it breaks, we're out of the trade, but if not, just keep it going. So that's how I see gold. And I can show you guys, let me see if I can see that. If that holds, we can hold it all the way to 1400. You see that? Alright, 1400 will be nice, and if it hits any of here, oof, shows strength still. So it will probably miss it maybe. So and show weakness and then come down. But let's see if we can get it to it. 1400. Alright. Now we're going to go to the Russell real quick to end this video. The Russell may do the NYA, so we'll see. Let's get this really fast. Alright, so look at this. So double top off here, this big resistance line. Then what I saw was a little wedge. You know, the wedge could have gone up again to up here, but it didn't. It's just, you see, that's what I'm talking about, these wedges. They do not have to go back up for the fifth wave all the way to resistance so they can break down lower. So that's why I'm telling you guys, like, you gotta be careful. Be careful. Sometimes they go up and have a throwover and then come crashing back down, and sometimes they even break through, like we had in early this year with all the feds giving free money to corporations, and and stuff like that, man. It's just the rich getting richer. Just free money, printing out free money for these corporations. How long can the feds keep it going? I don't know, but I don't think it's too much longer. To be honest with you, it's just out of control. So A, B, C, A, B, and C up. I don't know. I really don't know that one. So, but it's just interesting levels. And then this is the 50. It's holding so far. And it will be interesting to see if it breaks down. Alright? Or maybe we break up. We don't know yet, but we now still see lower prices for it regardless. So an NYA to end this video is pretty long. Another little wedge here, or in the resistance. It cracked. I mean, it didn't crack. Basically had a little throw over right there. So 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe it has 4, 5, and remember 4 just coast around here and then come back down. Maybe it goes like this. Bottom here. Let me show you guys. Let's end this. Right, it could be something like this. I would have to measure, but right now I'm just quickly doing this. And then come back here and then bam. Hit this resistance and then shoom. Back down. I like to see this one because, you know, not a lot of people trade this. So this one doesn't have this stock of the market. Doesn't really have much volume. You know, it's like people don't trade it much, so it's really easier to track than S&P 500, Nasdaq, maybe something like that. You get me? So I just think this is really, look at this, man. It's just, you can't get better than this. Like, it hit the 0.618 and boom. This is the one I really pay attention to because this is pretty much without anything. Like, I don't think we have any traders, retail traders trading this. So, you know, or big corporations maybe. I don't know. I don't really know, but I just know that it has less volume. So it would be good to pay attention to this once in a while, once a week. Look at it. Once every few days. I don't know. So thanks a lot, guys. Look, give me any feedback, anything I can do for you guys. Let me know. And you know, if I can go through any trades, any stocks for you guys, that would really be nice and help you guys out with anything. And comment, please like, subscribe, and let's get this. You know, trading is not easy. It's not really easy. It's really hard, and it's just a lot of mind games, and you just need to be really disciplined with your trading style and everything. You should have a journal. Really, it really helps keep you accountable and what you saw when you got in the trade, and learn from your mistakes. It's the best way to do it, guys. So thanks everybody. Let me know about anything, and let's get this. Bye.